Hi, this is Eric with Forged Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be working on these two rings and sizing them both up. Got a opal ring and a pearl ring. They're both yellow gold. They're going up about 1.5 sizes. So neither of these stones can take heat. So as a result, we're going to be shielding them using thermal shield paste. And I'll show you a picture of it. It's this right here. And this basically reduces the amount of heat getting to the stones. So we're going to cut it, the shank of the ring, and then we're going to size it up on our mandrel, get the piece of stock, and put that in. Cut the ring. I've sized it up on the mandrel to where it's going to be. I've just cut a piece of gold that's going to fit in between the ring shank here and here. And then now we're going to work on fitting it and then getting it with the paste. So during the heating, we found out that the prior work that was done to it for sizing that was done in the past didn't hold up. We removed the prior work and filed it down and then added this new piece in, basically so that way there's only like 2 solder seams instead of 4. So we've got our piece in. So when you're doing torch work and you get the flux on, it turns to glass. Normally you put it into the pickle, but because we have a pearl, you have to be a little bit more careful. So I just put the bottom of the shank into the pickle and kept the top half out. And at this point in time, we're going to grind the inside a little bit, and then we're going to start shaping it to the mandrel. The ring's at the right size now. The inside's cleaned up. So at this point in time, we can file the outside and then start sanding it. The ring's been polished. It's going to go into the ultrasonic now. We have the first ring done. Now we're going to work on the second ring. It's going to the same size, 7.5. Alright, so the piece has been added into the ring. So at this point in time, we're going to solder it all together. Again, we're going to be using the thermal shield paste to protect the stone. We're going to start sanding the inside of it, and then we're going to size it to the correct size. We're going to polish the ring on the wheel now. going into the ultrasonic. We have the 2 rings complete. They've been sized to 7.5. Thanks for joining us today. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.